This app I'm about to share with you will pay you $1 every hour. Alright, so all you need to do is to stay through to the end of this video. I'm going to be sharing with you everything you need to know about this app so that you'll be earning $1 every hour. Alright, so if this is your first time coming across my videos, hello, my name is Grace and welcome to my channel. What we do here is to talk about money making platforms and how to grow our YouTube channel, and I also share different codes on how we can get cheap data from MTN and every other network that you know. Alright, so if this is anything close to what you want to be seeing on your screen, hit on the subscribe button and let's vibe together. So now this is actually a streaming platform where you can actually stream and make cool money for yourself. Alright, so if I've heard of streaming platform, kudos to you. But if I've not heard of streaming platform, don't worry, I'm going to enlighten you as time goes by. Alright, so I'm going to be dropping my WhatsApp link. So anything you don't understand about this platform, just chat me up. I'm going to respond to you. Ask many questions on the WhatsApp group so that we can, connect there more than this YouTube. I'm going to be taking through a screen recorded video and share with you everything you need to know about this platform to start earning from this app. Alright, so first thing first, you have to come to your Play Store and then download this app called boloup app. Alright, so now this is a streaming platform that you can actually stream and make money. Alright, like I've said before, if I've not heard of streaming platform, let me know at the comment section, and then I'm going to be dropping my WhatsApp link in case there's anything I've not touched on this recorded video. Do also chat me up so that I can take you further or teach you so that I can put you through on WhatsApp. Alright, so now after downloading the app, you have to sign up on the app. Alright, so after you sign up, you do your face authentication. The way streaming platform are, you do your face authentication and everything you need to do, put in your password, bind your phone number, your account and everything together. Alright, so after you've done that, you click on open. Let me go and share with you how you can stream and everything you need to know about the platform. Of course, some app doesn't allow you to screen record. In case of that, I will skip some parts. So that's why I say chat me up on WhatsApp so that we can talk better there. Alright, so let's open the app. So now this is the surface of the app. Alright, so once you download the app, this is the surface of it. So now before you start earning on this platform, you have to join an agency. If you don't join an agency, the tax will not count. Alright, so you need to join an agency first before the tax will start counting. So if you want an agency, just let me know in the comment section or chat me up on WhatsApp, because the link is going to be there. Alright, so now on this app, all you need to do is just to stay on your party. Alright, so now as a newbie, once you download the app, they are going to be giving you $1 for every 1 hour. Alright, so imagine you are getting $1 for 1 hour, then in 7 days you are getting $7 plus. You understand? Then you can buy coins and do exchange and withdraw your money out in 7 days. Alright, so and you know how much $10 costs. Alright, so for you to do your tax, you have to click on this room. Alright, because I'm sure if I click on this room, nothing will show again. I'm just going to stay and explain everything for you. So for you to do your tax, you click on this room. It will take you to your room. Mind you, you have to join an agency first before your tax will start showing or counting. Alright, so once you click on this my room, they are going to take you to your tax place. Alright, so just stay there and you don't need to mute the mic. Alright, don't mute the mic, open the mic. So anytime you're doing your tax, you have to be careful whatever you say around your area, so that the next person that is in your party or in your panel will not hear whatever you're saying. Alright, so you click on my room and then you start doing your tax. Open your mic, emphasis on open your mic so that your tax will start counting. Because if you lock up your mic, if you mute your mic, your tax will not count. When you click on this me here, it will take you to your profile. Alright, when you click on the me, it will take you to your profile. Now this is a new account. This is a new account that I just registered. I forgot my old password, so I had to open this new one. But I was unable to get my $1 every day because I could not meet up with the 7 days stuff. Because if you miss any day, they are going to remove the $1. Like if you don't consistently do it, they're going to remove that $1 chance every day. So you have to be consistent. Alright, so now this is it. Alright, when you click on the tax, you're going to see all the tax that you are to do. So now look at it. If you missed the 7 days, after the 7 days, they are going to bring you back to 1,000 coin. every day. You understand? 1,000 diamond, I mean every day. That is what you will get in if you miss the first 7 day. Alright, so this is where I am. So this is where you will check if you've done your tax, and then when you're done with your tax, you click on this claim here. This claim that is showing will be bold after you are done with your 60 minutes. This mic and lifetime will show. As you can see, it's showing 0/60 minutes. But once you are done with your 60 minutes, it will show 60%. I mean, sorry, 100%. I mean to say 100%. Alright, so once it completes 100%, this 0% that is showing here will complete to 100%. So, and then once you are done, this claim will now be bold. Alright, for you to claim. So once you click on the claim, the your diamond will be automatically added to your diamonds. All right, so this is basically how you can do tax, and earn. So there are a lot of other things you can do. You can buy coin, play games, and then earn on this platform. All right, and then also you can also invite people and earn as well. So if you click on this my invitations, this is where you can get your invitation link and invite people to register. So once they complete their 7 days tax, they are going to be getting a good amount of money from this app. All right, I'm going to be dropping the link on the description box, so just click on the link and then download the app from there. All right, so and then when you click on these messages, you're going to be seeing all the messages that the system have sent to you, in a past time, or somebody has sent you. All right, when you click on this host, this is where it will take you to, you understand, your earning and everything here. All right, so just download the app and just click one or two, you understand. All right, when you click on this party, it will take you to a number of people that is doing their party, that is live, and the rest of the things. All right, so this is basically how the platform works. All right, so it's just for you to download the app, do your face verification, and just start live streaming on this platform. Is very sweet, it's very unique. All right, the good thing about this platform is that you don't need to put your face on camera and earn. Just open your panel and keep. All right, don't mute the mic and then start doing whatever you're doing in your house. Then after 1 hour, you are getting paid for just staying on the app. All right, so this is basically how this platform works. So for more information, for more details, just chat me up on WhatsApp, because my group to my WhatsApp will be on the description box. All right, so just chat me up. You can join the group and then let's discuss further. Anything you don't understand, just let's discuss there. All right, so thank you guys for watching. Hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful, give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube will push this video out to as many people that need to make money this 2025. And then also subscribe to my channel for more money making platforms and other stuff. All right, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.